What is one of your favorite breakfast foods when it comes to whipping up a meal, both quick and protein rich? Didn't you almost guess? Yes, we are talking about eggs today. I'm sure ये डाउट हमें कई बार आया होगा कि brown eggs buy करें या white eggs. While most of us will prefer brown eggs for how they're positioned to be a more natural and healthier option in the market, others will pick white eggs because they are cleaner or taste better. Hi, I'm Shivani Karnwal. I'm a clinical dietitian and diabetes educator, and I am more than excited to have this conversation with you. Do the differences between the two kinds really go beyond the shell? Let's crack this case open and find out and uncover some of the facts we didn't know before. Now, eggs can come packaged in different colors, and it doesn't have anything to do with nutrition and more to do with the chicken breed या फिर hens को किस environment में रखा गया था. However, supermarkets में हमें दो ही कलर के eggs मिलेंगे, brown and white. Eggs का brown color कहाँ से आता है? It comes from a pigment the hens produce. इस पिगमेंट को कहा जाता है प्रोटोपोर्फिरिन 9. It is made from heme, जो कि component होता है that gives blood its color. जो hens brown eggs lay करते हैं, they tend to give large and light colored eggs after they start to age. So when it comes to shell color, hens का diet, environment और breed बहुत matter करता है. So never be fooled into thinking कि अगर आपने brown egg खाया था तो वो ज़्यादा healthy था compared to white egg your friend were eating. दोनों का न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू सेम ही है. शेल कलर से एग क्वालिटी या कॉम्पोजिशन इफेक्ट नहीं होते हैं, सो बी अश्योर्ड. ब्राउन और वाइट, योर एग स्टिल रैप्स ऑल द vitamins, मिनरल्स एंड हाई क्वालिटी प्रोटीन इन लेस देन 80 कैलोरीज. हेंस का फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट भी बहुत काउंट करता है. जैसे इफ दे वर लेफ्ट टू रोम इन द सनशाइन, देयर एग्स विल कंटेन 3 to 4 times of amount of vitamin D compared to conventionally raised hens. Second important factor is the kind of feed hens are given. If they are fed a diet of corn waste and chemicals, the nutritional value of egg may deplete. While the shell color doesn't make a difference, factors such as chicken breed, type of feed, freshness and cooking method may affect the taste. इसलिए ही लोग home raised hens के eggs prefer करते हैं over the conventionally raised ones. होम या फार्म रेस्ड हेंस के एग प्रोसेसिंग या शिपिंग जैसे स्टेप से नहीं गुजरते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई दे आर फ्रेशर एंड टेस्टियर व्हेन परचेज्ड. और ब्राउन एग्स वाइट एग से ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव क्यों होते हैं? ये इसलिए होता है बिकॉज ऑफ द वे दे आर रेज्ड टू गिव एग्स, द न्यूट्रिशन एंड एनवायरनमेंट. If the hens were raised on a healthy omega-3 fats diet, तो naturally इन hens के eggs भी nutritious होंगे and they will come at a slightly higher cost. So, एक right egg choose करने के important metrics हो सकते हैं their origin, that is how they are sourced, farms or factories. Because local farmers ensure the hens are raised in the most natural environment, enjoying more sunshine to give you more nutritional benefits compared to the hens raised at windowless warehouses. If you understand the source of the egg on your plate, there is nothing to worry about, whether it's the nutritional value they give you or how they appear. For more such informative content, do follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel.